disagree, comment below. And also, let me know who you want me to.
Kung ikaw ay mahilig sa basketball at meron kayong team, club, or samahan ng basketball, welcome kayo dito sa Nataraki Basketball League. Opening na ng Season 2 at ito ay gaganapin sa PNP Grandville Covered Court sa may Tambobong, Batya. Magbuo ka na ng team at mag-register na kayo. Huwag na kayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa at makilahok sa pinakamalaking Open Non-Pro Summer League Basketball. My name is Joseph Chris Sologo and I'm the founding chairman of Nataraki Basketball League. I-PM nyo ako at mag-register na kayo. 3 division ang pwedeng pumasok. Yung first division ay youth division, age from 14 to 25. Second division is yung adult division, age from 26 years old to 37 years old. And then yung legend division naman is from age 38 to 55 years old. Kung above 55 years old ka at kaya mo pang makipag-compete, welcome ka dito, idol. Mag-register na kayo, tawagan nyo ako, i-PM nyo ako. Sa mga iba pang katanungan, i-PM nyo ako at sasagutin ko lahat ng details about the league. Welcome ka dito. Let's G!
For the first time, 2 players of Filipino descent are taking an NBA court in Jalen Green, the Rockets rookie, and the reigning 6th man of the year for the Utah Jazz, Jordan Clarkson.